Hey, what's up everybody? First of all, thank you for clicking on this video. So, I know I promised you an animal this weekend, but the weather had other plans. You'll see, just check it out.
Here, we can use that as a table.
You want to be a bow hunter, let me just tell you, nothing comes easy. Well, killing time got interrupted, and that was what we were trying to hunt in, and that's a no-go. No. No, it's hot. Yeah, we gone. So you want to be a bow hunter. Man, if I wouldn't have worn my rubber boots before. Oh, that's gonna wash out, ain't it? The lake. We gotta cross over that somehow. So you want to be a bow hunter. How deep is this when it's dry?
I don't know. Ready?
Yeah. Ready?
Ready to go.
Woohoo!
Yeah, I know. It was building that ark.
Dad had a little. He dropped his phone underwater. That was pretty dang funny. You know what I just realized? I gotta get out and get the gate.
I don't.
Oh, look at that road.
We got this.
Truck, please don't sink. Please don't sink, truck. We gotta go down this road, ladies and gentlemen. Oh shoot, that's the wrong road. So you want to be a bow hunter?
I want to be a bow hunter when I grow up. Sure about that? No.
So yeah, that didn't go as planned at all, but we were still able to get an evening hunt in on our property we actually own. That was our lease, the hunt that you just saw right there. And we ran into a little problem there too. We were still able to get a little bit of footage of our hunt. Dad had a GoPro, he got a few cool shots, so if you want to take a look at those, I'm going to roll those right now. On your way out, please smash that subscribe button. Please, please, please. It means a lot. Helps me out so much to put new content and more cool videos for you guys, so got to put something on the ground. It is killing me. It's been 3 weeks. We are 3 weeks in, and I still haven't put an arrow through anything. I mean, come on now. I got to get it together. Well, we got to our little crossing. And we cannot cross this. That is not crossable whatsoever. That would be about hip deep. We need to be over there. That's where we need to go. And all this water stands in our way. But we got a plan B though. We're gonna try to, there's a heavy pig travel way up here, so we're gonna try to set up in 2 different spots and get on a pig. But yeah, we're not getting to our honey hole over there. There ain't no way. Way too much water. It'd be hip deep, and I don't feel like hunting with a half wet body. That's stupid. put my microphone on my camera. Thank you guys. Y'all are awesome. Have a good one. I'm out.